Hello, my name's Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline. This Panavan comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver. Across the front of the vehicle, it features a body colour coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke star design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, it comes with a set of rear loading barn doors, and dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors helping you park and manoeuvre. Taking a look behind the doors and into the rear load area itself, it comes in a factory fresh condition, and there are a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding door. Two lights provide illumination, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. On the side, there's also a step which allows easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab itself, there is a twin armrest seat for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench next to this. All the seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, and providing plenty of leg space for the driver as well as the front two passengers. In the centre of the dash, we'll also find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van does come with climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left there's a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel. That concludes this 360 walk-around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Panavan. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.